In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find visits in Google Analytics. Whether you're managing a personal blog or running an e-commerce website, understanding how to track your website's visits or sessions is crucial for making data-informed decisions. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring that you grasp the essentials of navigating Google Analytics to find exactly what you need. First, let's begin by exploring the Reports snapshot. Open up your Google Analytics account, and from the interface, head over to the Reports section. Under this, you'll want to click on Reports Snapshot. Once you're here, you'll immediately notice the sessions metric prominently displayed in the overview panels. The sessions metric is a fundamental indicator, offering a quick glimpse into the number of visits your site has garnered within a selected time frame. It's one of those key data points that can guide you in understanding traffic patterns and user engagement at a glance. Next, we'll delve into the traffic acquisition section. From the Reports tab, navigate down to Lifecycle. Under Lifecycle, you'll find Acquisition, and from there, select Traffic Acquisition. Here, things get a bit more detailed. Not only will you see the total number of sessions, but you'll also get insights into engaged sessions and sessions per user. This means you can analyze how each channel, like organic search, direct traffic, or social media, contributes to your website's visits. Such granular data helps you identify which marketing strategies are effective and where there might be room for improvement. Lastly, it's time to take a look at the acquisition overview. Return once more to the Reports section, follow through Lifecycle and Acquisition, and then click on Overview. This screen is particularly useful as it presents your main metrics, including sessions, in a concise manner. By setting a defined date range, you can compare how your channels are performing over different periods. Having these statistics at your fingertips allows you to pinpoint trends, track performance changes, and ultimately, make well-informed decisions to optimize your site's reach and user experience. Remember, while finding and analyzing session metrics in Google Analytics is immensely valuable, the real power lies in how you leverage this information. Take the time to familiarize yourself with these views and regularly monitor them to understand the nuances of your website's performance. With consistent practice and analysis, you'll be able to boost your site's traffic and enhance user engagement like a pro. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently navigate through Google Analytics to find exactly how many visits or sessions your site has received. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Be sure to check back for more insights and tips on making the most out of your data analytics tools.